Want to hit 10,000 YouTube subscribers fast, without paying for ads, fake subs, or spending years grinding? Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll walk you through the exact strategy creators are using to blow up their channels, even starting from zero. In this video, I'm breaking down the 8 fastest ways to grow your YouTube channel to 10K subs, using real-world tactics that work right now in 2025. Whether you're posting shorts, long-form videos, or just getting started, this guide will give you a full game plan. Let's get into it. 1. Niche down smart. Let's start with the #1 mistake I see: being too broad. If your channel is about everything, then it's about nothing. Pick a specific niche with a hungry audience but low competition. Instead of fitness, try fitness for busy parents or bodyweight workouts for beginners. Use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find keywords people are searching for, but not many creators are covering. You want to be the go-to channel for that niche. 2. Leverage YouTube Shorts, the growth hack. If you're not using Shorts in 2025, you're sleeping on free growth. YouTube is still pushing Shorts hard. They're like TikToks with a built-in audience. Post 1-2 Shorts a day. Keep them punchy, under 60 seconds, and add trending sounds or quick value bombs. These videos can rack up thousands of views even on small channels, and they convert to subscribers fast. 3. Optimize every video. SEO plus clickability. Great content doesn't matter if no one clicks it. You need a killer combo of a title with keywords plus curiosity, a thumbnail with emotion and clarity, a strong hook in the first 10 seconds. Example: instead of how to be more productive, go with I tried 7 AI tools to boost my productivity. Here's what actually worked. Way more clickable, right? 4. Be consistent. Train the algorithm. Consistency beats perfection. Aim for 3 long-form videos per week, 1 to 2 shorts per day. YouTube's algorithm rewards creators who keep people on the platform. Treat it like a gym habit. Show up even when you don't feel like it. The momentum will build. 5. Engage with your community. Subscribers want to feel connected. Reply to comments, ask questions, and pin your own comments under every video. Also, ask for the sub early. Something like, if you're finding this helpful, consider subscribing. It helps a ton and I've got more coming. Keep it authentic. 6. Ride trends smartly. Don't blindly chase trends, but definitely put your spin on trending topics in your niche. Example: if you're in tech and a new AI tool drops, be the first to review it. Or if you're in finance and a major market shift happens, share your take ASAP. Speed wins. 7. Collaborate with other creators. Collabs are underrated. Find 3 to 5 channels in your niche with a similar size or slightly bigger. Comment on their stuff. Share value. Then reach out for a reaction collab, shout out, or even a challenge video. You're not just sharing audiences, you're building credibility. 8. Double down on what works. Look at your analytics. What's your best video? Make 3 more like it. Check. CTR, click-through rate. Retention, do people watch all the way? Comments, what are people asking for? Let the data guide your content strategy. So there you have it, the fastest way to 10K subs on YouTube in 2025. If you made it this far, you're ahead of 90% of creators. Now it's time to take action. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your channel about? I'd love to check it out. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe and join the journey. Big things coming.